As well as priming and finishing our standard MDF products, such as NeatMatch for paneling, NeatRoute for screening, and NeatSonic for acoustic applications, Neat Concepts also offers a one-stop shop for bespoke machining and finishing for wood panel products, either on an ongoing contract or a one-off project basis. This can save on transport costs and reduces the risk of any damage in transit. We can offer surface profiling, edging, cutting to size, wide belt sanding for flat surfaces, and denibbing for profiled surfaces. With a throughput capacity of over 100 square meters per hour, service turnaround for painting is both fast and cost-effective. Paints and lacquers are all environmentally friendly water-based and are applied using computer-controlled spray guns. Conventional air drying is supplemented by infrared and ultraviolet curing as required, enabling the use of a wider range of paints and lacquers and ensuring that boards are fully dry at the end of the line, ready for final packing or sanding. For further product information or to find your local stockist, call us or visit neatconcepts.com.